So you're trying to be more self-sufficient because you have decided that you can't depend on being able to get all the things you and your family need from day to day. You've started growing a garden and are learning to preserve food, which is a great start. But have you thought about herbs that serve two purposes, both food and medicine? Today we'll be talking about 5 easy to grow herbs that you can use to flavor your food and treat minor illnesses such as coughs and colds. Cayenne pepper is a great plant to spice up your food. Used in small amounts, it can add a bit of zing to your dish, and used in larger amounts, it can blow off the top of your head if you aren't careful. But did you know that drying those peppers, then covering them with alcohol to soak for 4 to 6 weeks can make a pain-relieving liniment to rub onto sore muscles and joints? Or if you drink a cup of tea made with cayenne with each meal, you can help support a normal blood sugar. Or if you hold a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne in your mouth for as long as you can stand it, you can open up congested sinuses. Other medicinal uses of cayenne include gargling a warm solution made with 1 cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne to relieve a sore throat. 1 ml of cayenne tincture can improve circulation and lower blood pressure. It can also help stop nosebleed. Do you have room in your garden for this useful herb? And it doesn't have to be the specific cayenne pepper to be delicious and medicinal. Any hot pepper will have the same effects. For hotter peppers such as habaneros, you will need less pepper for the same effect. Garlic is another herb that is great for colds and other infections. In fact, one study favorably compared the antimicrobial effects of 1 clove of garlic to 1 dose of antibiotic. Crushing the raw garlic clove and allowing it to be exposed to the air for 5 to 10 minutes before swallowing produced the best results. Heat was shown to diminish the effectiveness, so take a raw crushed clove of garlic to help you fight that infection and add more garlic to your chicken soup to make it taste yummy. Other medicinal uses of garlic include decreasing gas and bloating and supporting your pancreas to help keep your blood sugar normal. Its expectorant effects help break up head and chest mucus when you have a cold, and it can be used to treat topical fungal infections such as ringworm. Lemon balm is probably the easiest herb to grow on the list today. It is in the mint family, which will grow practically anywhere and spread everywhere, even if you don't want it to. So keep it in a container. The light lemony flavor of lemon balm extract can be used to flavor dishes and make a delicious cup of tea to be enjoyed just because it tastes good. However, that cup of tea can also be used if you are feeling anxious, as lemon balm has nervine effects. It can help you sleep at night, improves mental alertness during the day, and when swished in the mouth, can help relieve the pain and speed the healing of cold sores. And it has traditionally been used as a remedy for menstrual pain. Because mosquitoes don't like the smell of lemon balm, it can also be used to repel these biting insects. Chances are you already have oregano in your pantry to use in your food, especially when you make Italian food. But this easy to grow plant can also be used as an antimicrobial to help your body fight bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. It's full of vitamins and antioxidants that help boost your immune system, and when you apply it to your skin, it can reduce scarring, decrease wrinkles, and lighten age spots. When added to just boiled water in a bowl to make a steam inhalation, it can reduce sinus and lung congestion due to a cold or the flu. And it's a pretty little plant that is easy to grow in a pot or in your garden. Rosemary is traditionally used to flavor meat, but it is also great on potatoes, added to homemade bread, and sprinkled on pizza. Medicinally, it improves digestion, can relieve headaches, and is antifungal, so you should apply it topically as a remedy for fungal infections. It has been used for hundreds of years to improve memory, concentration, and protect against dementia. Plant this evergreen shrub in a corner of your garden and it may get to be over 4 foot tall. For more information on plants you could grow to be prepared for whatever may come up, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about easy to grow culinary and medicinal plants. Stay healthy, it's time to get prepared, and have a blessed week.